Hey people, what's up? This is Amaan here from the Sobo Guys. It's a luxury lifestyle and a fashion vlog. I'm glad to be here on Lifestyle Asia's Instagram, and today I'm going to talk about my favorite watch from my watch collection. So guys, being in the jewelry business, I've always grown up with fabulous timepieces around me. And trust me, my love and fascination for this luxury watches has come up from a very early age. But the one watch that is currently my favorite from my own collection is this Patek Philippe. So right now what you see on my wrist is the ultra thin self-winding mechanical skeleton movement watch. It is entirely skeletonized, decorated and engraved by hand. It is made in rose gold in 18 karat and the diameter is of 39 mm. And this is how it actually looks like from behind. And I personally think that I'm in love with the overall look of this beautiful timepiece. So guys, this is my go-to watch which I actually wear in every important events. I personally think this looks very classy and elegant and I'm in love with this watch.